Alright gang, Mower Mike here, coming from Texas HQ. We're going to talk about some common steering issues on a John Deere. Now this is my LA 145 and I've been having some steering issues as well. Hey, Mower Mike back here in the Mower Mike shop underneath the John Deere that we just had this horrible accident with. Steering is very important, as you can see. So I'm going to walk through just the basic steering components and what can go wrong. So first, coming down underneath the mower, you can see the shaft here with the nut and the pinion gear. So that is what's operated by the operator. As you turn the steering wheel, this turns. Then next, that turns the larger gear, which is called the Springer gear. So that's this guy here. So when you turn the steering wheel, turns that. So then these turns the drag braces, which operate the front wheels. Now what can go wrong? Now first, one of the most common is your pinion gear here can get stripped. And you can just look underneath the mower and see it. And if that's wrong, it's a real easy fix. You can just swap that pinion gear in and out. Also, the Springer gear can get stripped. This guy here. So I used my trusty angle grinder and actually grinded this off just for demonstration purposes. So a lot of times when one of these gears gets stripped, you can see turn, 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 and then you get that dreaded clunk, 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 clunk underneath your lawnmower. Like, what in the world? And things are slipping, banging. So a lot of times that's one of these gears getting stripped. Now another issue that you can run into is the sector gear gets loose, which causes a lot of slack in your steering. As you see, this guy here flops up and down. Now, why is that loose? That's because this bolt here gets loose, or the collar around that bolt gets worn, causing it to get loose. Now, it's real easy to replace. Here's a new one. You can see where that sector gear slides on right there. It could just get worn out. So it's real simple to replace. And I'll show you in a video how to replace all that. So in summary, what can go bad on these lawnmowers is most common being the pinion gear gets stripped out. Sector gear can get stripped out, or the pin holding this sector gear could get stripped out also. So hopefully this helps. Please subscribe and let's have some more fun. Mower Mike out.